Here are 5 reasons why your Shopify store is not making money. The first one is, of course, no one knows about you. So, what you need to do, create social media channels, create Google business, tell your friends about it, tell your parents about it, and most important, get feedback from them. The second one is your offer is not good enough. Why? Because of pricing, it could be. Example, if your product can be sold in Amazon for $10 and you ask customer for $50, I think so you will not scale it. So have a competitive pricing policy. The third one is your Shopify store looks not that good, I would tell. So have a good design, have a simple design so customer can find even buttons and buy your product. Have a announcement bar which announce free shipping or discounts. Have a currency converter so you can sell it globally, and have a videos and good footer even. The fourth one is have a good photos and descriptions. So photos, have your own, create your own photo shoots, make videos so you can use the same material also for social media and other platforms. And of course, have a good description so customer knows what they're gonna get and they know they are safe. They have to feel that they trust these stores when they give away their money. The fifth, analyze data always. From where customer came, which channel was it, how old is he, which countries you can sell more, and what is your conversion rates. So always have a look then. And if you want to improve your store even more, look for Libotouch apps where you can find currency converters, announcement bars, and even do smart upsell and product add-ons. And if you need any help, our team will be there to help you.